Hello, my name is Justin. In this video I'll show you how to download and install the latest version of Python. We will also make the first program Hello World. Let's start it. Open browser and search Python. Click on the first link and go to python.org. Hover over download Python. When exe file is downloaded, click on it. Click Add Python to path and install now. When Python is installed, click Close. Press Windows R keys on your keyboard and print cmd and click OK. In cmd, enter python -- version. OK, Python installed successfully. Let's make your first program. In program search, enter idle and open program. Enter print hello world. Okay. You have made your first program that prints the text hello world. This is my first video, please support me, subscribe and like. If something was not clear or you have any questions, welcome to comments. Don't stop and keep learning programming. Bye.